you zooming and zooming out on my face?
I'm not. Okay, it's recording now. What? So if Tony wants to shout something absurd before my mother comes.
Like so maybe rub lube on your face. I love Marissa's penis! Shut up! You said DJ?
No, I said Marissa.
Oh. I wouldn't shut up about penises.
Come on, Mom.
Yours.
I don't have one. I chopped it off. I neutered myself.
I hate it.
He kept poking me in the leg.